The date is the 18th of October 2024. The time is now 2:42 AM and there's a noise again. Supernatural noise over the North Highcombe Birchwood Kingdom Hall. And we have just above me the Hunter's Moon. It's a full moon tonight. I don't know if it's a super moon, it could be. I think it might be. But there it is, just above my head, high in the sky, in the direction of the south. That's quite loud now. It's definitely a warning sign from Jehovah, because I've just completed an email that I'm going to be sending off, I don't know when, but over to 200 news media outlets in the UK and in the USA, proving that I'm a prophet Elijah of Malachi chapter 4 verse 5, which says, "Look, I am sending to you the prophet Elijah before the great and awe-inspiring day of Jehovah." So I've just completed that letter now, and it's a full moon, as I say, up there. Look, that's beautiful. There's quite a bright star above my house there. Look, I don't know what that is, but it's this noise again. Is Jehovah doing a supernatural miracle again to show that my plan will work to take down the Watchtower? It's in the same direction as the moon now. Come on, Jehovah, do it louder, I pray. That isn't traffic noise, because there isn't any traffic. There's no main road near here, except for the Doddington Road, but there won't be any traffic on that making that noise. I don't know. It's the most strangest noise. It's quite loud. It's moved from there straight over. That's exactly in line with the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses, Lincoln, UK. God, that's loud. That proves it's not traffic, because like the other night, it's panning from there. How's it gone now? It's like gone over there. It's disappeared, the noise from that direction, the Birchwood Kingdom Hall. Hey up. Hear that? God, that's loud. I think this is definitely a warning sign to Watchtower. I'm going to definitely take them down. I'll take the Watchtower and the governing body down. It's too easy now because Jehovah's with me. Yeah, it's going over there now. I mean, that should prove to anybody, any skeptic, that this is supernatural, because the noise is just moving. It's quite loud. It seems louder than the other night. There you go. It almost does sound like traffic, like it's a motorway, but there's no motorway near here. Moved again. That's over the Birchwood Kingdom Mall of Jehovah's Witnesses again now. Boy, that's loud. Jehovah is really doing his stuff tonight. Miracle. At 3:12 AM yesterday, Jehovah has gone and done a miracle on my Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus tablet, and he's reprogrammed the Google Drive app, because the whole thing, I've got a Galaxy S7 Plus phone, Galaxy S10 Plus phone, and an Honor Pad 9, and on the Google Drive, it's hard to explain, but the folders have been altered, with a small icon folder at the top left hand corner of the folder that doesn't make any sense. But I checked the app version and they're all the same. So Jehovah's reprogrammed the app on my Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus tablet. I can prove it. There's noises everywhere, to be honest. That's the north. There's nothing in the north. It starts about there. It's all round. I wish it'd get louder. There's the moon, look. That's the October Hunter's moon, which is quite interesting because you know what a hunter is, don't you? This is hunting down the Watchtower and the governing body to free the Jehovah's Witnesses from Babylonian captivity, because the Watchtower of Babylon the Great, the empire of false religion in Revelation. And I wish I knew what that star was. That's quite bright. Hear that? That was a dog howling. That dog knows that's been under inspiration from Jehovah. And of course, dog backwards is God, innit? Yeah, that's definitely a sign, that dog. I've never heard dogs bark at night here. I can hear an owl now. Beautiful star, that. Beautiful full moon. I think it's the full moon tonight. I'm sure it is. 18th. Come on, Jehovah, do some stuff now. I can hear some kind of owl, but it don't sound like an owl. It's behind me. That's like northwest now, the noise. Gone a bit quieter now. I might stop recording in a minute because it's not very much going on. There is a hum over there, northwest. That's quite loud again. Come on, Jehovah, make it louder just before I go in. It's over the Birchwood Kingdom Hall, Jehovah's Temple at Jerusalem. That's a warning sign to those elders that wrongly disfellowship me. This is a warning sign, you elders. Simon Eshelby, who was my chairman. David Seven. Baz Gilderdale. Bob Gash. And Fred Bolton, the presiding overseer at the time, when they wrongly disfellowshipped me on the 2nd of June 2010. Which happened to me my 20th wedding anniversary. And also, guess who died on that day, the 2nd of June 2010, when I was disfellowshipped? Raymond Franz. And he was a former governing body member who was disfellowshipped for apostasy because he exposed the Watchtower like I'm doing. What's the chances of Raymond Franz dying? That's a sign from Jehovah. Jehovah probably put him to death, to be honest, as a sign to show that the governing body one day would figuratively die. Yeah, it's gone a bit quiet now. I'm going to go and make a nice cup of tea and get back in my bed. Bye for now.